Incolorwig today. Same packaging as usual. You have their social media listed. And first thing, I'm seeing the wig. Alright, and then I got a goodie bag along with like a headband here. That's everything in the bag. So let's see what we got in our little bag here. I have like a elastic band, a patterned one, and I got a bonnet, a pair of lashes, and lastly I got this brush. Ooh, I'm gonna have to add this to my kit. I'm gonna add it right now. All right, so I'm happy about today's wig. Okay, this is a different kind of color. It's like a burnt orange brownish color. It's not too bright, but it's like different, and I'm excited to explore the look with this wig. I'm right off the bat, I'm feeling like side part vibe. It's a 24-inch, by the way. I must say it's very soft. And, you know, classic body wave vibe. Is full to the tip of the hair. All right, and it is pre-plucked. I am so excited for this look today because I'm gonna be doing a glue install as well with this. So yeah, it's a 13x4 lace front wig, and it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it's a medium brown lace. Whew. Yes, I'm ready to put this on. It's a medium cap, by the way. In terms of density, I'll put all the specifications in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Look at that bones. This is so nice. I'm gonna definitely be giving you guys that nice side part body wave vibe with this today. It's too nice. Yo, Dre. So something about this would just give me that, you know, Jessica Rabbit vibe, and I just want to wear it for a little while. So, you know, I said, all right, I'm gonna do a glue install with this today because it's nice. So as you know, I'm just lining it up with my natural hairline, cutting away the excess lace. You know, the number one thing I have to do is ensure it fits properly around my ear. It's very lightly plucked. You could go in and give it more graduation if you feel like that, but I feel like the area is not dense, and it is, for me, it's okay so far. So I don't mind rocking it straight the same way how it comes straight out of the box. And you guys know when I'm dealing with glue, I do I do it in halves, so 1/2 at a time. Cut it away, and then I go in. I already wiped away the area here with alcohol wipe, and then I get my glue. You know, use any glue that you feel works best for you and your wigs. Anyone that works best for you and your wig installs, go ahead and use that. the hairline with my elastic band for a little and just press that in. I'm gonna take my hot comb and kind of just apply a little, just for a little sealer. Don't rest it on it for too long, because it's really hot. I really love the way this color complements my skin tone so far. Today I can't wait to go ahead and curl it up with my curling iron. I can just see it with those nice luscious curls already. Good, just like what I wanted. I can't get over this color. I know before I didn't even like brown wigs, like the other day, and it's just like I gave it another, you know, I've been doing a lot of second chances and it's been working out really nice. This is the hair with the waves that it came with. Okay, you could definitely just leave it, give it that, you know, effortless wavy vibe if you want to, but I definitely want to go in and, you know, define these waves a little bit more, get that big sexy, you know, define waved look. So I'm going to actually layer the front part here. I think I'm going to do it after I curl it, you know. So I'm gonna curl this side first, and yeah, I'm just gonna put my clip, like my section clip, you know, those clips I get in my packages. I'm gonna use it on these, like the pin curls, so that the curls don't fall too quickly and stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna speed through this portion. Just, you know, pleased with how easy it was to curl and install and all that good stuff. No, I really want to just cut some layers in the front. I'm loving the color. That's giving that Hollywood glam vibe. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. So layer it a little bit more. Well, it's not layered initially, so I'm gonna just go in and do that. So this is the exact vibe I was going for, that big sexy wavy look. It's a 10 for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this. It's a 10 for me for sure, like a definite thing. I love the way it's falling. Everything just looks super good. Like, yeah, this is the vibe. This is it. This is it. I give it a 10. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Incolorwig did their thing with the color for sure. The hair is silky, it's full, it's you know, it's giving. For 24 inches, it does feel a little bit like 26, so that's another plus. That's another plus for sure. So if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, check it out. The link is in my description box, as well as the specifications, so go down there and check that. Oh, it is a vibe. It is a vibe. Yes. So I don't really have anything else to say, you know. I have nothing else to say. That is it for today's look. I hope you found this video informative, you know. I hope you like the look. If you do, go ahead and give that thumb up the video, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just love and good for yourself.